what is interesting is that you're the very first person I interviewed.
Yes. That was very interesting.
Mhm.
But it was fun.
Just as much as this one is.
Yeah, believe it or not, that was yeah, that
It was
that was a
fun.
lot of
It was
fun.
it was fun. It was informative. Like all the interviews, they're
Hmm.
also different. Also different. But they're all useful, meaningful. It's good information. I've had people calling me up from different parts of the world saying, I don't know how you came up with this idea. I mean, I say, I don't know either. But they say, I don't know you came, but this is the best thing that happened.
Wow.
Yeah, seriously. They said, what you're doing, you do not, you probably don't even realize. They said to me, you probably don't even realize
You
what
don't rip. Hmm.
you're doing on this platform. They say, you probably don't even realize what you've taken on. And I'm saying, I didn't take it on, it take me on.
It took you on. It found you. It found you in your sleep.
Because it's carrying me. The commitment. Yeah,
Oh my
I'm
God.
saying, so really and truly, I don't take credit for any of it. I honestly don't. I'm just a conduit. I'm just a vehicle.
Hmm.
And I honestly believe that. I mean, I wouldn't come up with this. I'm talking to people about their lives. I don't think that's what I would be doing, right?
Right.
Yeah. And wanting to dig deeper and deeper into it to the point where we're, writing books. And now we're also looking at doing documentaries and all that type of stuff. And,
Hmm.
and we're going to build a learning institute. In fact, we're building one, and with the focus to not necessarily the traditional classes, but courses that's going to uplift people. It's going to teach them how to become practical type of stuff, how to
Right.
be better at getting better life skills that
Hmm.
they need, you know. So I probably would not be chasing that, but thanks to this thing here, the collision with purpose, and that's where we are. So we're going to do it.
Yeah.
We landed in this ecosystem, in this schema. So we're just gonna pull the right levers, and get it done.
And do it.
Hmm.
And it's stuff that people really need. People really, of all ages, young, old, middle, it doesn't matter. Like people need those things to
Well,
help build on themselves.
I know I need it because one thing for sure, and you asked me this before, that how it's affecting me, I'm becoming
Hmm.
more aware about my steps, how I walk, how I traverse through this life. That's a major benefit for me because as I am talking about it, I'm becoming more committed to make sure I'm applying best practices in my life.
Right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I'm not just out there willy-nilly doing things. I'm saying whatever I do needs to be meaningful. It needs to align with my mission vision for my life, which is ultimately lead to my purpose. So I'm not just out there doing. I'm doing things that's going to support and serve my vision, my mission, and ultimately my purpose. And that's
Which is
another
good.
thing. And that's
Mm.
another thing about unearthing you. It is at the end of unearthing you, you're going to write a vision statement for your life that is real, that's going to take on life. It's not just words, but it's going to take on real life. We're going to have real life implications. So, and then we're going to also teach you and give you the tools how to live the statement that you wrote and how to stay on course with it.
Hmm.
Yeah. So we're not just going to say, hey, write it, it's done. No, now you got to live it.
Yeah, because no, it's something that you don't know. It's something new. So you're gonna have to be
Mm-hmm.
mindful of always,
Mm-hmm. And there's
whatever
course
the
correction.
actions are.
Right. And there's course correction. Every time you slip off, we're going to give you the tools to help get you back on.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's
That's
big
good.
stuff. Unearthing you ain't no joke stuff. It's real. It's really unearthing.
It's gonna be interesting to see what some people unearth.
That's another conversation.
And what to do with it, but at least the material is there to help you, to guide you along,
To work through it.
to work through it.
But one thing I would say, no matter what it is that you unearth, it needed to come out.
It needed to come out right.
You cannot, it's like they say you put the good on the bad. You gotta get rid of the bad. Get rid of that thing that's clogging up your energy, that's slowing you down.
Right.
That thing that is not serving any purpose. Only a bad one. So
Right.
get rid of that and free you up. Accept newness, new energy, positive energy, so you can build. That's
Good
it.
stuff. Good stuff.
I think so. And like I said, I'm happy to have a front seat in it. Yeah, so that means that I'm an early beneficiary,
Yeah, right.
Because I'm up front, I'm learning, I'm getting the information early, right?
Early.
Yeah,
You're working through it early. So
yes,
that's good.
absolutely.
So that's a good thing.